ladies, what's up? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. And sis, I am partnering with Nadula Hair, so let's jump right into this. And guess what? I already feel like Dora. Okay, amigos, which box would you pick? I already know which one, so y'all just gonna have to find out. All right, here we go. Nadula, boo.
Just for a drink on Tuesday, we making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday we chill on Saturday. I met this guy on Monday. Just for a drink on Tuesday, we making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday we chill on Saturday. But about a moment, but we run just for a drink on Tuesday. We making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday we chill on Saturday. Let's go on Monday, just for a drink on Tuesday. We making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday we chill on Saturday. But about a moment, but we Monday, just for a drink on Tuesday. We making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday we chill on Saturday. I met this guy on Monday, just for a drink on Tuesday. We making love by Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. But about a moment, but we run just for a drink on Tuesday. We making love by Wednesday.
Alright, sis, listen. First and foremost, big thank you to Nadula Hair for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciated. This is their Jerry Curly Virgin Hair. I do have it in 150% density, sis. Now, this starts off at 14 inches. And I must say, I think the price is pretty dang good. $187.35 for the 14. The longest you can get is 24 inches, and that comes in right under $320. Give or take 49 cents. So I was really trying to go for, like, you know, a nice little simple kind of twist out, braid out, you know, kind of like 3-day-old braid out. And I think this came together really nicely, baby. Now this is a 13x4, as I mentioned, so you really don't have a 13x6 luxury. You're not going to get ear to ear. However, it does stop right about here. You really can't do like that deep side part that I love to do. So I did take it in a little bit more dramatic just to make it look a little bit more deeper than what it is. But you do get a lot of coverage and a lot of frontal with this baby. And guess what? No plucking of this hairline. However, sis, your girl did bleach the knots. They are small on this unit, but yeah, I wanted that scalp effect. Left the bleach on for maybe like 45 minutes. Might have hit an hour. Almost over bleached, but we shall continue. You know, I think it still came out really good. I got a little bit of bleach on a couple of pieces of hair up here, but yeah, whatever. But yeah, no plucking, no tweezing. I really was surprised that I did not have to do anything to this frontal. And baby, the lace, sis. Lately, I have not been tinting my lace. I've really just been using whatever left on my foundation brush. A couple of sprays of the setting spray. Put it right along the hairline. Baby, less work, more slay. And it did come together really nicely. Very thin lace. I have no complaints with this lace, because seriously, if I didn't know any better, I'm looking on the site now, I would have thought this was clear lace, and it's not. So, baby, yeah, she popped it. Cap fits really snug on my head, but the ear tabs do fall into place. And baby, check out the hairline. There is still room for error, sis. Usually I have a problem where the hairline is a little too short. Your girl's got a big noggin, okay? 24 inches up in this piece. But this go around, it fit perfectly. I had no issues with it falling back. Bam. Ow. Serving you. Natural girl realness. Check it, boo. Now, my lace is lifting a little bit. It's hot here, okay? I ain't gotta say no more. It's 100 degrees. Sue me. But I think, you know, it still came together really good, baby. Ow. So if you are interested, checking out the information for Miss Nadula hair, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in to this review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop your girl a comment down below, and most importantly, share the video with your family, your friends, and your friend of me down the street, boo. Take care of yourself, ladies. Stay tuned for the YouTube shoutouts, and as always, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Alright, ladies, here we are with the YouTube shoutouts. First and foremost, big shout out to all of my small business owners out there. The offer still stands. If you do have a small business, you're looking to get the word out, baby, I am offering some services. I will show them on the channel during a review. I will hold up your business card. I will flash your links. Bam. Everybody gonna see your business. So hit up the description box for all the information and details on that. You can definitely email me at wigswasteland@yahoo.com, and I will definitely answer any questions you may have. Now let's get into the thank yous to the new subscribers to the channel. So big thank you to Sam Archuleta, Kiana Jefferson, Crystal Hamlet, Demadra Chestnut, I hope I didn't butcher your name, sis. The Swirl Experience, okay, sis. Okay. Cha-Cha, Shakita Robinson, April Powell, Mrs. Jones, and Miss Hard Timer. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Keep sharing the videos, keep subscribing, and of course keep loving on your girl. I definitely appreciate it. Keep yourself first, and most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.